You don't need an appointment and you don't need to be a techie to set up and activate your TV streaming service from Midco. To get started, make sure your Midco internet is on and your TV is off. Have your Wi-Fi network name and password and Google login information at the ready. Or, instead of connecting via Wi-Fi, you can connect using an Ethernet cord to connect your TV equipment to your internet. Take all the equipment out of your TV kit. The kit includes a TV box, power cord, HDMI cable, and remote control with AAA batteries. Lay everything out where you can see it so it's all ready to connect. Then, connect the HDMI cord to your TV box and plug the other end of the HDMI cord into the TV. There are two ways to connect the TV box to the internet. Using an Ethernet cord is an optional step to establish a hardwired connection to your internet. If you're using an Ethernet cord, connect that now too. If you don't use an Ethernet cord, the TV box will connect wirelessly to your Wi-Fi. You'll set this connection up shortly. Now make sure all connections are plugged in correctly and you're ready to plug your TV box into power. Use your regular TV remote to turn on your television. Match the TV input setting to the same HDMI input you used to connect your new TV box from Midco. Remember, be sure to use your regular TV remote for this step, not the remote provided with your Midco equipment. Once your input is set, it's time to go through the on-screen instructions. These may vary in order based on your specific setup experience, but you can expect to pair your new TV remote. When pairing, keep your remote 3 to 6 feet away from the equipment. This helps the TV box pick up the remote signal. If at any time you experience issues with your remote, try replacing the 2 AAA batteries. Test the new AAA batteries by pressing a button like the TiVo button to ensure that the indicator lights up at the top of the remote. Next, set language preferences and connect to your in-home Wi-Fi. That is, if you're not using a hardwired Ethernet connection. You can also sign into your Google account if you have an existing login. This is optional and can be done later, but will enable you to download apps from the Google Play Store and enjoy using them on your new Midco provided TV box. You'll walk through a few other screens, including terms and conditions, location, name, features, 1Pass recording setup, and streaming apps. Finally, you'll reach the home screen where you can start watching and enjoying your all-streaming TV service. Thanks for watching and happy streaming. Find more resources for remote programming, troubleshooting, and more at midco.com/TV support.